Welcome to Royal Wood Flooring. Here we are in Phoenix, Arizona, where we are doing a custom wood floor installation on steps. As you could see, we did cut it at a 45. Very nice, clean look. The homeowner wanted this face in wood, not just the top. And as you can see, very nice, professionally cut. Very nice installed. It is a pre-finished 2 1/4 by 3 inch white oak. And we will be doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 steps. Let's go ahead and look upstairs. This is the company you want to call for any and all of your wood flooring projects. Beautiful stair nose in here, and we have already installed it up here. As you can see, this is a mini split. Very nice and efficient for this little casita back here. And as you can see, we're done with the upstairs part, and we'll be doing the bed area here. Since the homeowner wanted the wood on the top here, they'll be putting a mattress, and this is the little casita that they built. And there's downtown Phoenix. You see, it's a lovely place. Give us a call today at 602-446-2613 for any and all of your wood flooring projects. We'll be more than happy to help you. And what we have here is a dead bug. I'm not sure what it is. Let's go ahead and put it back here. There you go. Some kind of a bug. Can't tell what it is, but it's all right. Let's go back downstairs. And result. Thank you. And it's the little casita. And check out the bathroom. We'll have the toilet there.
Yes,
and shower here. You can see it's a nice little casita. Nice tile floors. Nice tile floors. And there's one of our most amazing technicians, Pete. Hi Pete, how you doing? Alright. Alright, let's go ahead and take this card and we'll make a follow-up video when the job is completed.